What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Gould Gaming and Tech channel, and we are hitting on another case for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3. We're giving you guys what you want, letting you know what's up. For those of you who are just tuning in for this video and this video alone, just so you know, I'm producing videos of several cases that I have for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 this week, and I'm gonna just show off each of these cases in different videos throughout the week, and then at the end I'm going to show all the cases and the one that I definitely recommend and which one I think is the best. So these videos are going to be short and sweet for you guys, just so you can see what the case looks like, how it's going to feel on your phone, some things I like and don't like, just a little bit, and Spidey's always our official timekeeper, and also I'm gonna let you guys know the price. So if you're new, make sure you definitely hit that subscribe button. If any of this information is helpful, if you're in the market to look for a case, I know this is a big deal with this phone as far as what case to get, but I'm gonna help y'all out with that because I'm your boy. But anyways, if you're new, make sure to hit that subscribe button and that like button. If you're returning, make sure to hit that like button. So right now we have the clear Ringke case. This goes for about $23.99 on Amazon.com. Not too bad, because we've seen there's some other cases that are just like super ridiculous. Anyways, if you want to know what this is the D brand MKBHD skin that I have wrapped on the back. It's pretty sweet. Look at that. Look. Pretty sweet. Anyways, so looking at this case, it's a two-part case, no hinge protection. You can see these little black strips on here. That is your adhesive, and it's a clear case. One quick thing I don't like about this case is that the fingerprint smudges on here get crazy, boy. And you know, I be moving a lot. My hands get a little sweaty, my palms get a little sweaty because I be moving and grooving, jucking, jiving, all that good stuff, all the shenanigans, all the buffoonery. So my fingerprints get on here and I'm constantly wiping with the microfiber cloth, but it is what it is. So you got your cutouts for the camera, for your fingerprint sensor and power button, your volume up and down rocker, and a cutout for your charger. So without any further ado, let's pop this bad boy on here. So there's a tiny raise for the camera, but not a big deal. But when you put your camera or your phone on the table, it's gonna be a little bit of a rockage, but it's not that much. Definitely not compared to some other ones. So you put the front one on here, and this is what it's gonna look like. It's not bringing that much more thickness to the phone. It's pretty true to size still. Your hinge, like I said, is still exposed. This moves a little bit because there's no adhesive right here. So, I mean, if that bothers you, it is what it is. You kind of have to deal with it unless you want to put some adhesive there to make that thing stick. But yeah, everything looks like it's lined up pretty well. It opens and closes, no problem. Look, you see all the fingerprints? Oh, it bothers me so much. But anyways, I can get to my buttons no problem, even when it's closed. I can get to my buttons no problem. Swipe left and right, even at the edge of the screen. I can still get to everything. These little borders are not blocking me from doing anything. And I can get to my Samsung Pay card with no issue. When you're charging an actual physical charger into here, you will not have any issues with if you have a larger charger or not. Everything will plug in just fine. Your speaker grill cutouts, your microphone, everything works just well. It's just my only gripe is the fingerprints. It bothers me, but that's what you got to deal with a clear case. But I like this case because it shows off my D brand skin. So if you get a D brand skin, you want to show it off, get that clear case. $23.99 on Amazon. It's a good deal. You can't beat it. Spidey, where we at on time? I know we killing it. Boom, 4 minutes, somewhere around there. But if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, comment, share, bell for notifications, all that good stuff. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.